call the vet. So this is a prime example of where Dr. Google is gonna give you the wrong answer. So constipation is something that doggies don't really get. So a lot more people know more things about dogs and cats. Cats, like humans, can get constipation. It usually is a sign of an underlying medical issue. Okay, it's not, quote, just constipation. So it could be signs of inflammatory bowel disease or IBD in people. It could be an issue with the food type. Okay, so maybe there's not enough fiber in the food. A lot of people are using these yuppie brands of food that have not been properly researched. Your cat should not be a vegetarian, just so you know. I'll throw that out there right now as my PSA for the day. Cats are obligate carnivores. They could eat a mouse every day and live long, healthy lives. So sometimes it can be an issue of the diet. Lastly, moisture. A normal cat should be passing at least a Tootsie Roll poop per day.